Oh, okay. Okay, here we go. Hey. Welcome to the Mathis Circus. That's what we're gonna say to start this video. We are in the garden right now. We're gonna throw some onions in the ground. We have a break in the rain. The garden is super muddy still, but it's now or never. Yes. In the state of Texas. So we're gonna go ahead and get them started. We have 120 shoots.
Sprigs or shoots
to plant. We don't do the bulbs. We go ahead and do the shoots. We've had better luck with those, so we're gonna get started.
Let's get started. So we have not tilled the garden yet. It's rained since before Christmas and we have not had a chance. So what we're gonna do is I'll turn around and show you, but we're gonna put the onions close to the fence, and that way, hopefully if it dries out between now and time to plant everything else, we can till. So that's the plan. So
yes, hopefully they don't wash out, but hopefully if we have 120 in the ground, some of them will take in a couple months, hopefully.
Alright guys, so this is the garden right here. You can see kind of where it was last year. So we're gonna plant the onions along the fence line over there. We have 120, like Shanna said. So we're gonna do 2 rows of 60 across there. And then like we were saying, once it, hi Easton. Once it dries up, we can till the rest of the garden up, hopefully, before we plant our tomatoes and everything else that we normally plant. Alright guys.
We got 120 of them in the ground. We spaced them about 1 inch to 1.5 inches apart. That's not true. Start over. That was terrible. Okay guys, we got 120 of them in the ground. We went about 4 inches apart and they are about 1 inch down in the ground. Loosely covered with dirt. 2 rows of them. So we'll see what happens.
It's not our prettiest job, but the garden's still pretty muddy, but we wanted to take advantage and get them in today because it's supposed to rain tomorrow and the rest of the week. So again, yeah. So let's turn it around and we'll show you what it looks like. All right guys, so here's what we got. So the garden basically starts right here, right there, and goes that way. So we've got 2 rows, roughly 60 in each row. They're about 6 inches apart from side to side, and then about 4 to 6 inches apart going the other way. So we didn't water them. It's knuckleheads. It's supposed to rain this week and the ground is very saturated, so I need some help with the outro.
Did you just say help?
Come here, babe.
Did
need help?
I do.
Let's film this outro. Thank you so much for watching. We love making videos with you. We love doing everything with y'all. And there's one more thing I can ask. Subscribe, hit that bell, and give it a like.
Leave a comment.
And we'll see y'all next time.
Thank y'all.
Thanks for watching.
Thank y'all very much for watching.
Bye.